Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and I just wanted to jump on here real quick and show y'all this completion I have of a crystal canvas from Onedaysaving. This is a 30 by 40 and it had 22 crystals and special shapes. And as you can see, it is super shiny, very pretty. I had no issues at all whatsoever with anything on here. The drills were great. The sticky was great. Had plenty left over, even of the special shapes. Plenty of those left over because, you know, sometimes they just send you just enough to do it, but they actually sent extras, so I had plenty left over. But on their website of Onedaysaving, this canvas was $7.03 and worth every penny, I think. But can y'all see that shine? It is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. But as you can see, it's got the special shapes up in here. There was a couple different colors of yellow. There was several different colors of pink. There was the white or clear. Several different colors of purple. There was 2 different colors of green. And then there's the special shape. And it had some special shapes here in the flowers. Just kind of just scattered out throughout the background. There's some more in the flowers. But yeah, I really enjoyed doing this one. It was very fun. It went quickly. And like I said, I didn't even find a whole lot of trash. I mean, there was a couple, but nothing to really be bothered by. So what do y'all think about this? It's pretty, isn't it? I'll leave a link in my description box for this canvas on Onedaysaving's website. And I will leave a link to their website, and if I think about it, I will also leave a link to the unboxing of this in my descriptions. I always say that and I always forget. I guess I probably should start giving myself notes. But alright y'all, anyway, I know this is just a short video, but I just wanted to come on here and show y'all the completion of this, because I just thought it was so pretty. And yeah, I really like it. So alright y'all, I hope everybody's had a great day, and don't forget about my Etsy shop, Just Minder Business. And until my next video, y'all, I'll see everybody later. Bye y'all.